How we doing today, man? I am so hyped to be back, man. Oh wow, I don't even know where to start with. Just I've been busy, man. I've been busy. I didn't trade at all last week. I barely even looked at the charts. I was snowboarding. I'm gonna post some pictures from that. Maybe some videos. I'm not that good, so I don't know. But we were snowboarding all last week in Utah. Really, really sick. So I didn't really look at the charts. I actually did have time to trade, but just took a little vacation to start the year. I'm ready to just crush this year, 2026. I hope you guys are doing good. And market's about to open here. I want to see us kind of pull back here. This is really weird. Market conditions. Like we have SMTs everywhere. We have SMT at these highs. We have S&P at all-time high. We have like everything's going on here. So I'm gonna have to just kind of see what happens off open, which kind of makes sense here. And then see what happens. But it looks like we're just running to our target here, which was this 15-minute unfilled right here. I want to see us maybe get shorts out of there and go lower, kind of play off these SMTs. But maybe we just run through this. So we will see. Again, I haven't traded in so long, but the one thing I am definitely leaving in 2025 is revenge trading. We are not gonna do no dumb stuff this year. It's just not gonna happen. We're over that. We're profitable now. Hopefully, should be right. We have the skill set, the tools to be profitable, and we're gonna act profitable. Right. We're gonna do what profitable traders do, which is calm, cool, collected. We take our trades if we like it, if we have an edge, and we get off. So I'm excited for this year, man. I'm gonna run it up. I think it's gonna be a good big year. I really do. So yeah, I'm excited to be back. I kind of want to talk more after this live trading day, but let me just kind of lock in here where we trade instead of the extracurriculars. Running out this high. I was at the Jags playoff game yesterday. I was really sad to see the Jaguars lose, because I thought they had a chance to take Josh Allen and the Bills, but it is what it is. You can't win them all, right? But yeah, I thought that this was their year. Um, so get to watch the Steelers play tonight. I'm kind of a Steelers fan because of my cousins. We went to watch the Steelers play on Monday night against the Dolphins a few weeks ago, and that's pretty cool because they play the Texans, and I think that they should beat the Texans, but we will see. So market's just ripping off open here. You could have probably anticipated this with this close and this close. You probably could anticipate market opening to rip, but I don't have an entry there. It's all cool. Be patient. Could expect that market Monday. No, it is Monday with some good news this week. This could just be the move for the day, and we could just be done here. But I'm going to be trading all of my accounts now. I have all these accounts. I got the $1,500 payout from each of these, so now we have about $250 left to lose on these accounts. Right, we can only go to 25,100, so not too much room. Really wanted to just long that first candle after the first candle closed. I really could have just gone long there, but gotta stick to a strategy, right? But yeah, so these accounts, I'm trading all of them. That's 17 accounts, and then I have these accounts, 3 accounts. That's 20 accounts to start the new year, right? And yeah, I mean, we could make a lot of money this month if we just lock in with ourselves. Yeah, these accounts are up. I need about $1,000 around there to get a $500 from each of those. That'll be a 1K payout, and then this one as well. Try and get a 500, so 1,500 there. Talking quick, but yeah, that's the goal, the game plan. So, game plan's gonna be risking about 3 to 5 micros on these accounts. These accounts 2 to 3 to 4, and just kind of chill with it and just see what we can do. We're getting a little rejection off this fair value gap here. We have this hourly gap here. Kind of like the 15-minute I had marked out though. Just see what happens. If we run through this, then I'm looking at these highs. I'm looking at these highs. So we will see. I really like the Stranger Things end, but I know that's a controversial take. But I'm a big fan of Purple Rain. I was loving that song this summer, and it was pretty cool when they played it. I'm not gonna spoil anything for people that haven't watched it yet, but I liked it, man. People that don't like it, I think you're just a hater. I think you just like to hate on something. But I know there could have been some differences. We got to see that. I watched in theaters on New Year's night. And yeah, some goals for 2026, I guess, because I'm not gonna make a full video on my goals. Yeah, follow my rules, realize my potential with trading, see what I can do. 6 figures. I want 6 figures this year. I think that I can do it. I want to have 5 months of 5 figures from trading from payouts alone. I think that's possible. I want to travel some. I want to get better with my fitness goals. Just level up, man. I just want to level up. 21 years old, about to be 22 in May. Just want to kind of level up, you know. I want to get better. So I like this. We have SMT here. We swept out that high on ES as well. Unless this is lagging. No, we have SMT here at this high. So now I want to see it maybe roll over. Because I like that rejection. Then we can get some sort of SMT here. Maybe 30-second inversion. Be a little bit bold. Kind of like shorts from here, though. The higher time frame makes a lot of sense for shorts, right? Hourly. We've been chopping in this range. We kind of hit this resistance level. And then we roll back towards these lows. Because we kind of reversed off nothing here. But the higher time frame, these are the most obvious draws of all time. We'll run those at some point this week. So the game plan here is to play either shorts off of jumping below here or continuation long, really. Continuation being this 5-minute opening, 15-minute opening, something. So we shall see. We still have SMT at these highs. But I'm not going to get too zoomed in on that, if I'm being honest. Yeah. Immediately taken out. So we have just pumped straight up 140 points off open. So there's nothing to do, unfortunately. As much as I'm itching to trade. How have you guys been, man? I've been itching to make a YouTube video, like a real one, for a long time. I'm just glad to be back. Like, I cannot tell you how excited I am to just be here and trade. Madrid lost yesterday against Barcelona. That sucked. That was really disappointing. Because they played pretty good in the second half. But they were just a little bit too afraid in the first half. Taxes are coming up. This video is non-financial advice, but taxes are coming up, man. It's going to stink. Got these new AirPods, and I can make videos while listening to music because I can actually hear myself talk with the transparency mode, which is pretty cool. This is the one thing I forgot about trading. You gotta be patient. I've been on a little bit of a degen lifestyle recently. Gambling at a casino, going out in Utah, snowboarding, like impulsive, you know? So I've got to get back to this calmness in my trading. It's just like, wait, man, you know, you don't see your setup, just wait. But I'm not used to this waiting. I'm like, I want to be done. I want to make my money. I want to be in and out, right? 300 on black, you know? But you got to wait. You got to wait for your setup, man. Excited to start just posting again. I just want to post content. Awesome momentum. Goals for this year. I want like 10K on Instagram. I feel like I should be able to blow past that. I want like 25K on YouTube. I think that is a big goal, but it's possible. It's going to take a lot of work, 12 months. So I need if I need 25,000 subscribers, I have about 7,700 this morning. I need 17,000 divided by the 12 months of the year. I need about 1,400 a month, which, I mean, that's like better than my best ever month, but every month. But, you know, the more money we make, the better we should be doing, man, right? So who knows? Don't cap yourself out. We could hit 100K. If this 15-minute close is above, then I got to just be anticipating longs, really. Same thing with this hourly. I want to see this 5-minute open up and have an SMT at this internal. That's why I want to see the liquidity get ran. Bounced perfectly off midnight open. So we just sit and wait, man. This is like the part that is boring, you know? It's only 9 minutes in the market open, but just gotta wait. But again, man, I'm really trying to focus on just not being impulsive at all this year. Really, really, really just disciplined, methodical, sound decision making. I really want to, man. I think if I can do that, I can have a lot of success. I really like Stranger Things, man. I'm really disappointed. It's sad for the end. I really like that show. I wish that you could play music on YouTube, but you can't. I would just be jamming, but I have to listen to the headphones instead. All right, we're getting a little sell off, hopefully. A little liquidity grab, I guess. Got some tea there. Just setting up some more liquidity to build. Almost got to that 5 minute. See how this 15-minute closes. It's still so early in the session, dude. I just feel like, where's the money at? Where's the trade? But you gotta be patient, man. Like, I'm not used to being patient. I'm telling you. It's the biggest thing. But when you trade 20 accounts, man, you only need 1 or 2 trades a week. That's why I gotta remind myself, is that you only need 1 or 2 a week. You get 1 or 2 trades a week, you know, you're risking right, make a lot of money. I mean, how many micros are we going in every trade we take? We have 34 there, and then we have 4 times 4, that's 12, so 40, 46, 4.5 minis. I mean, that's some money right there. Catch a little move, you're printing, you're eating. $92 every point. You catch a 40-point move, and you just made 3.6 bands, man. I need these accounts to get up to 1,600 to be able to take a payout. That'd be nice. That'd be 17 accounts times whatever payout I take. So I need about 1,000. But just to be whatever, so let's just say we need about 1,500. $1,500 this month. We need a profit. We take a fat payout. So $1,500 if we trade 2 micros. $1,500 divided by $4 a point. We need about 375 points on the month. So divided by about 3 weeks, we need about 125 points a week. We gotta focus on that though. So we're just slow climbing higher. I really want to see this low though. One thing I love about Stranger Things was the soundtrack was so good. I do have nostalgia though for the first few seasons, like them just being so much better, you know? Like the season that made you fall in love with it. You kind of miss those ones. I do like this short here. But gotta let it go because it's just chop right here. But I do like a short off this move lower. We'll see though. Hopefully we continue lower. If we get some displacement, I might enter. On these accounts. Nah, not what I want to see. $9:45, 15 minute just closed. See, I do like that though. Is there news right now? Doesn't look like it. I really want to enter shorts there. Gonna leave it though. I really like the entry right here off this close. Stop at this high. I'll be break even though now probably. Potentially. Just hesitated a little bit. Still like it. We're in that 5 minute though now. I do want to see us dig a little bit deeper to this. But we are bouncing out of that 5 minute. I'll keep an eye on this fair value gap. If SMT in that 5 minute gap, yes, nowhere near. So this entry would have been break even. Kind of choppy. Like I said, this could just be the move, right? This move higher could just be the move for the day. We just chop a little bit, but kind of just really like shorts though right now to get to these lows. Yes, a little bit uncorrelated though. We have no SMT there, equal highs. See, that looked like a convincing entry. Let's just chop in now. Like, just nervous to trade, man. I haven't traded in so long. I just kind of like anxious. Be curious if we inverse that. There's just such a hesitation to get through here, you know? Kind of shows that we want to maybe roll over again. This is good, though, if it does do that. But doesn't look like it wants to. Maybe run this high one more time, go back down, come here, and then go up. Don't mind that. What are we drawing to here? Looks like, yeah, we definitely want to go higher. But I just really wanted to see us go lower first, run some sort of liquidity. We could even get this now. It's alright being an observer for the first day back too. As much as I wanted to make some money. Immediate displacement through this for value gap, I like a short. This would be a ball or short off the rejection wick. Short that. 10-point stop. This would be such crazy trade. Go break even right now. All right, I'm liking this sell off. If we can get this next candle to come through here.
You make believe.
I'm recording a video. What's up? Price is just so slow today. It's weird. I normally have water right here that I don't have with me, so I just keep looking over there, grab water, drink some water, but there's nothing. Part of improving those trading is avoiding dumb losses, you know, not taking small paper cuts. And today, if I don't get a trade, just avoid some losses, you know. As much as I really want to trade, though. It's just a bull flag day. Right? First one here, bull flag, boom, go. Comes down, boom, bull flag, go. Comes down, bull flag, go. But oh man. S&T at that high now. 10 a.m. is about to open here in about 3 minutes. So we're about to inverse this big hourly gap, big hourly displacement higher. It's a huge daily opening gap. $15-minute gap's about to open, which is a nice target, lower. Man, trading can be boring. The 10 a.m. just open. 10 a.m. just opened here. Let's see what we get. We're right at the 7,000 on ES, so maybe we get a little sell-off. And that 5-minute gap, but we're getting some rejection wicks. Really want to see us come back to this 15-minute gap. Want to see a nice displacement through this fair value gap to enter, though. I don't want to see just chug, close, rip up. It's the high of the week right here. Okay, I'm liking that displacement. I like as well that we already had this sweep of this high. So we have SMT. It's so choppy though. Ah, come on. So you can't trade that. Can't enter short when the market's doing this wick. Kind of makes me feel like longs, but this 2-minute gap is also enticing now, and the 1 minute could still close below. I like that a lot too.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in there. I'm gonna put my stop at the high. But we'll see. Don't like that. Oh, I don't like that at all. They didn't tag it though. I want to get one off here because I don't like being in on 4. It's a lot of risk. $400. Man, this is a lot more stressful than I remembered. Doesn't look good, boys. Come on, at least take some risk off this trade. Oh boys, I'm not good at this feeling. Looks like it wants to go somewhere. Want an order block close desperately. Kind of want to close it here because it didn't inverse the 1 minute. Don't look good, boys. Wow, I forgot how stressful trading was, bro. Oh, I can't wait to just be done and go to the gym. Oh my gosh, this has been brutal. I don't like that random wick and no follow through. Wow, cat got my tongue, boys. I'm nervous. Wow. The thing with trading though is as soon as you start losing, you start feeling like the biggest idiot. Like you have no idea what you're doing. Which maybe this trade was bad, first trade back in so long, but you just gotta trust yourself. Just a loss. I really forgot how stressful this was. Feels like it wants to sell off, but market doesn't care about your feelings. Our last hope is a super this high. It's literally it. Somehow I have a knack of bottom ticking the shorts. Like what a long this would have been. Grinder. This will be one of the most uncomfortable trades I've ever won if it does reverse here. The wicks are just painful. You feel like you're getting somewhere and then it wicks back up. Like that wick is actually gut-wrenching. Gut-wrenching. Pain. Pure pain. Has to reverse here. Yeah.
Stop filled.
We're going to lose these accounts here. $20 left there. These accounts are done for the day. I'm going to go in on these three.
Order filled.
These accounts are gone. If we lose like anything, this one's about to be gone. $4.
Order filled.
That's one. They have like $20 left. Which one did I blow? Count 3. Oh well. Can't exit these?
Order filled.
Let's do 2. Let's do 6 contracts.
Order filled.
Three each. It's kind of sad to see those 3 accounts go that we got the 9K in payouts on, but happens.
Order filled.
All right, that's
Order filled.
those accounts. So we blew 3 of them. But I mean, look, we lost on the trade. We took the trade, accepted the risk, lost. Had like $40, right? You're gonna go for it. Lost. Not gonna trade the rest of these accounts. Hit max loss on these. Did I need such a loose stop loss? No, but I honestly, the reason why I did is I kind of anticipated this to be a high that we just left, and that we're gonna leave and maybe sweep this at worst case, and then reverse off of it, turtle soup, and go lower. So I kind of had some hope for it. It just wasn't right. Sucks again because we were 1 trade away from a payout again, and we lose 450. Like, you know, kind of sucks. Pretty just frustrating day. Not a fun way to come back, but you know, we're looking at -2 something on all these accounts. There's really no reason to try and make it all back. Let's just look. I'm gonna log out after I take this screenshot. Oh my gosh, this is okay. Hold up. This is my only attempt at this. All PAs we lost. We have 14, so that's 28. Boom.
Order filled.
That was loud. Buy stop. Okay. We're down like 200. So this is the last attempt. Do I even make profit if this hits TP? 104 minus 70 plus 37 times 2. 240. I didn't even make profit on that. That's actually insane. This will just be break even. Honestly, I might just go break even now. This might be break even. I think I have to go break even here. Ugh. ES took the low, so we're probably gonna reverse here for no reason. Oh well. It's a break even trade. That's stupid.
Stop filled.
Alright, we're done. We're done. I do, I'm not gonna sit here and cry. It's part of it, but not my favorite start to a new year. But what am I happy about? The fact that I can walk away down if I can. Manage groups. 3 gone. Boom. I'm just so sold on this to go lower. I might give it one chance. 56.
Order filled.
Alright, this has got to be it. Break even here. I'm low-key an idiot, but I need to just close this. But I like shorts. This is such a bad start to the year. Kind of has to be now. Well, it's a pretty fitting way to start the year for me, but getting caught up in a No News Monday chop, embarrassing. It's going about as bad as possible. Oh my gosh, dude. I low key wish. I wish I didn't trade No News Monday. I was just itching to take a trade. Didn't even take a real setup, actually. Think about it. We took this inversion that never happened, which is just like why. And then revenge traded. But it is what it is. This has to be it, though. Because at least I can justify, okay, we had displacement back down, or whatever. If I take another trade after this, I can't justify it. I mean, I'm just gambling right now. I'm just hoping for it to go my direction. It's embarrassing. Again, I have a very crazy knack at picking the exact reversal for shorts. Somehow. Makes you just feel like the biggest idiot on the planet. Can't wait for that red candle just for a big green one, right? Yep. That's ugly. Feels just like the casino I was just at. Just chasing losses. Never works. Just can't let go of the fact that I lost the 400 on those accounts. So I just wanted to feel like, oh, I made some profit because I lost these ones. I blew the accounts. So I just like, oh, I made some profit today. It's what I'm doing here. I just want to feel better about the losses. It's an ugly habit. It has to go now. Has to go and it has to continue. Well, it doesn't have to, but needs to. Look at that wick. Oh my baby. Oh man. Oof. This is ugly. This is ugly. This is ugly. Wow, this is bad. This is so bad. Oh my gosh, this is a horrible day. Oh no, dude. I'm gambling, hoping. This is bad. I can justify these trades, but they're not good. That's the unfortunate part. Trading can feel like an impossible journey. I swear, man. It can feel like an impossible journey.
Order filled.
Go break even if we go underneath this low again. We need to just go now. Because if we somehow lose more on this trade, we're not going to stop trading the rest of the day. So if we get tagged out early, we get tagged out early. I have to get off after I see this play out.
Stop filled.
Oh my gosh, dude, I don't want to stop at all. I don't want to stop at all. I just don't want to stop. I'm completely going to be on tilt. It's a no news Monday. It's chopping. I have to be done. 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 Oh my gosh, bro. Like, me making back this money does nothing for me at all. I can't let go of the account's blown and then just this 450 when I was, if we hit this trade, I'm gonna be able to pay out $1,000. That's just, it's hard to accept, you know. I kind of want to go long. Should be done. Minute gap. There's nothing for me to trade. There's nothing for me to trade. So it's like if I go back in, I'm literally just gambling. I'm just straight gambling because there's nothing for me to trade here. I like the idea that it continues lower, but it could go higher. Oh, what a terrible start to the year, bro. It just genuinely is like, I mean, oh my gosh. Trading is the most mentally taxing thing that you can do because you just feel like the biggest idiot, the biggest loser, a degenerate. You feel like you know nothing. I've been doing this for so long and I feel like I sit here knowing nothing. But if I just step away, I can come back the next day and I can hit a trade and I can make this back and I can make this back over this week. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We have 4 more days. We can make more than $450. We can profit on the week. We can profit on the accounts and it's all going to be fine. But right now it feels like the world's over. It feels like I know nothing. I feel like I'll never successful trade again. I feel like I got lucky. I feel like I'll never win a trade again. And it just is the most gut-wrenching, annoying, disappointing feeling of all time. Like, I really want to go back in right now.
Order filled.
Like, what on earth is this trade? Say, hey, I want my money back. And it's not going to work.
Order filled.
I need to be done. 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 I have to step away and I can't step away. This is me in a nutshell. I cannot get myself to step away and I have to be done. I'm down $300 each account. I don't need to make it back. I have to be done. I need to be done. What on earth am I doing? What do I really want to lose? Do I really want to risk blowing 14 accounts for no reason? Literally no reason other than I'm just emotional and I'm a little baby and I can't handle a loss. Why on earth would I go back into another trade? Oh my gosh, dude. What am I doing? What am I thinking? It is chopping sideways and I can't get myself, I physically cannot remove myself from pushing a button. How much of a loser am I? How much of a loser am I that I cannot get up from this trading? How much of a loser am I that I can't get myself to just step away from a computer? I act like this can't make me real money. This is real money that I can make if I just stop being an idiot. I would literally need to get all the way up here to even make profit. It's insane. I need to be done. I need to be done. I have to be done. This is ridiculous. I should be done.
Order filled.
This is so dumb. I'm not even gonna make profit unless it runs all the way up there, and there's no way. Such a degenerate. Please, bro. Not gonna be able to stop unless it goes up.
Stop filled.
Dude, it's like I should be done. I literally just got blessed for not losing there. What is wrong with me? Now it's gonna go, isn't it? Alright, man, that's the video. Hey, at least we found the way to step away, huh?